So today we can discuss about the preparation and standardization of various molar and normal solutions. First one is the oxalic acid. So in case of oxalic acid, we have to know what is the preparation method and what is the standardization procedure. First one is the preparation of the oxalic acid. This oxalic acid is a primary standard and it can be prepared by taking 6.3 gram of oxalic acid and dissolve it in water to produce 1 liter. And the standard solution of oxalic acid, since it is a primary standard, it can be used to identify the strength of various alkalis like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. Since it is a primary standard, there is no need to standardize it. Next is the sodium hydroxide solution. First, we have to discuss the principle of sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide solution is a deliquescent substance since it absorbs the moisture from the atmosphere. Because of its deliquescent character, it cannot be weighed accurately. Therefore, this sodium hydroxide cannot be used as a primary standard, or it cannot be used to prepare a standard solution by accurately weighing. And hence we have to prepare a sodium hydroxide solution of approximate concentration of 0.2 molar and then standardized with the potassium hydrogen thalate. Potassium hydrogen thalate can be represented in short KHP and its formula is COOH C6H4COOK. This potassium hydrogen thalate is not hygroscopic and it is stable. Because of this property, it can be used as a primary standard acidic substances. Now, we can go through the reactions of the standardization of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is standardized by reacting with the potassium hydrogen thalate. Hence, the reaction is as follows. Sodium hydroxide on reaction with the potassium hydrogen thalate, you will get a sodium salt of the potassium hydrogen thalate and 1 molecule of water. Now, by measuring the volume of 0.2 molar sodium hydroxide solution in the burette, we can identify the exact concentration of the sodium hydroxide solution. Next is the preparation of the sodium hydroxide. For the preparation of one normal solution, we have to know the equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide, which can be calculated by dividing the molecular weight by 1. Hence, the equivalent weight is equal to the molecular weight by 1, which is equal to 40 divided by 1, and this will be equal to 40. So, we get the equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide as 40. And for the preparation of one normal solution, we have to take 40 gram of sodium hydroxide is to be dissolved in 1 liter of the water. What if we want to prepare 0.1 normal solution? We have to take 4 gram of sodium hydroxide in 1000 ml of water. So for 0.1 normal solution, 4 gram of the sodium hydroxide per liter is required. Next is the standardization procedure. In the principal part, we have already discussed that sodium hydroxide cannot be used as a primary standard. So it can be standardized by using a primary standard, that is potassium hydrogen thalate. So we have to take 20 gram of the potassium hydrogen thalate, which was previously powdered and dried at 120 degree for 2 hours. And this 2 gram have to be dissolved in 75 ml of carbon dioxide free distilled water. Then after complete dissolution of the potassium hydrogen phthalate, you have to add 0.1 ml of phenolphthalein solution. This phenolphthalein solution is the indicator. And then titrate with the sodium hydroxide solution until you get a permanent pink color. So the appearance of the permanent pink color will be the end point of the titration. And for calculation part, each ml of 1 molar sodium hydroxide is equivalent to 0.2042 gram of the potassium hydrogen phthalate.